Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Green Corner. Today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful wooden tray. For making this tray, you will need a wooden frame. I bought this wooden frame from nearby hardware store which cost me near about 40 rupees. You will need colorful pebbles, then brushes to paint and a paint. I am using white paint. Also you will need glue gun to stick. Let's start the process. Isn't it looking so cool? Please let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I will be so grateful for it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.